Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to fix video quality in CapCut. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. Go ahead and open your CapCut application. Always make sure to use the highest quality videos possible for your original footage whenever you are trying to edit with CapCut. Select the highest quality video to get started with and always make sure to update to the latest version of CapCut application. If you don't have the updated version, you might not be able to export your videos to the finest quality. So in order to do that, go ahead and open your App Store or your Play Store and search for CapCut. Once you find the application, look for an update button and install the latest version of CapCut. Once you get to the video preview page, go ahead and adjust the color settings. Tap on the Edit tab at the bottom left and look for the Adjust tab and tap on it. Go ahead and tap on the Sharpen effect and drag the slider to sharpen your video. Increase it moderately and then tap on the Apply button. Now tap the tick mark. And you can also experiment with exposure to brighten or darken the video. Simply go ahead and find the exposure option from Adjust. Simply go ahead and adjust by choosing the options like HSL. Select more options and explore with hue, saturations, and lightness. You can also utilize the Smart HDR option. Simply go ahead and tap on the little drop down at the top right which shows your pixel and make sure to enable the Smart HDR option at the bottom. Also make sure to choose your highest resolution by dragging the slider and putting it on 2K or 4K option at the top right. Now tap on the Export button at the top right in order to save your change with the highest quality for your video. Also make sure that you are minimizing filters and effects since overusing filters and effects can degrade your video quality. So that was how you can easily fix your video quality in CapCut. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.